Dear students, today we will discuss the cycloaddition reaction. Suppose we have unsaturated system, okay, that is the ethylene, first molecule of ethylene, and this is the second molecule of ethylene. It gives the under photochemical condition, it gives the by such mechanism cyclic product. Okay, this is two electron for 2 pi bond, two electron is there. For second, that is the two electron is there. Therefore, this this is a 2 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction. Okay, in this case, okay, on in all cycloaddition reaction, first unsaturated system added to the second. Okay, this is the first and unsaturated system and second unsaturated system means there is a double bond added to each other, gives the cyclic product. That type of reaction is nothing but the cycloaddition reactions. Now, cycloaddition reaction is of two types of. It's divided into two groups. That is, first is the intermolecular cycloaddition reaction, and second one is the intramolecular cycloaddition reaction. Okay, second one is the our intramolecular cycloaddition reaction. Okay, for the first intermolecular cycloaddition reaction is it's appear in between two different unsaturated system, first unsaturated system and the second unsaturated system. In this case, there are two pi bonds, first and second reactant there is a one pi bond. Okay, by such mechanism we will obtain the unsaturated compounds, unsaturated products. Okay, two different reactant, therefore it is a intramolecular. Okay, this is a intermolecular cycloaddition reaction. Second type, intramolecular cycloaddition reaction. Okay, in this type, if suppose we have example like that, example is there. Sorry. Such type example is there. Then this will add to this, add to this, and add to this, and obtain the product. Okay, like that product. Okay, such type of product is obtained. This addition of these two unsaturated system is appeared in a single molecule. Therefore, such type of cycloaddition reaction is the intramolecular cycloaddition reaction. Okay. Another example of intramolecular reaction is 2 plus 2 reaction is there. Okay. If suppose we have such type of compound, okay, this bond added to there by such mechanism, we will obtain the such type of product. Okay, therefore addition of 2 plus 2, okay, two electron is added to this two electron. Okay, first pi bond is added to second pi bond, therefore it is a 2 plus 2 intramolecular cycloaddition reaction, because it appears addition of the unsaturated system or pi systems appear within a molecule, therefore it is called as the intramolecular cycloaddition reaction. Okay. The first, if suppose there are stereochemical mode is given by the subscript S and A. Okay, these two subscript is used during the cycloaddition reactions. If suppose first unsaturated system, if suppose there is ethylene is there and second ethylene molecule is there, when this lobe and the second lobe, okay, first lobe and the second lobe is added, okay, that is the phase, that is first phase, when it is added to second orbitals or second p orbitals or second molecule, okay, this phase is the same lobe, okay, same phase, okay, and this first and second is first lobe and second lobe is from same phase, okay, therefore it is called as a suprafacial suprafacial mode of addition. Okay, this lobe are from the bottom, okay, both are from bottom, okay, both are these lobe both are from bottom or same phase, first phase and same phase, this first same phase and second same phase, that is that is called as a suprafacial phases, okay, this is supra phases, okay, added to the suprafacial mode, okay, this supraphase, that is supraphase. If second, if suppose if ethylene molecule is added, first lobe is you have taken from the bottom lobe and second you have added the from the that is the top lobe, okay, below lobes and front lobes, okay, top lobes or below lobes. Such type of phases is the that is a supra phase, and that addition is called as the suprafacial addition, that is called as the suprafacial mode of addition. Okay, first mode is the, if suppose your lobe is added from that same phases, if both lobes are from same phase from this phase or both lobes from the this phase, okay, like that phases, both lobes are both addition of lobes is from the same phase, okay, both addition of the lobes from this phase and this phase, that is a supra phase, and supra, that addition is the suprafacial addition, this is the supra phase, that addition is the suprafacial addition. And secondly, we have seen the first lobe is added from this lobe is added to the other unsaturated system, or this lobe is added to the other unsaturated system, okay, that is the same phase, that is called as the same phase, and that is called as the different phase. This is different phase of addition and this is same phase of addition. Same phase of addition is called as the suprafacial mode of addition, suprafacial mode of addition, and this is called as the intrafacial mode of addition, intrafacial mode of addition, okay, all right. For this we'll see the, if suppose we have the such type of butadiene is added to the ethylene molecule, okay, there are two pi bonds, first pi bond and second pi bond and this pi bond, okay, this is called as the 4 system, 4q system, and this is the 2q system, okay, therefore that type of reaction is the 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction, okay, all right, and different molecule is used, therefore it is a an intermolecular cycloaddition reaction, okay. This molecule can be written like that, okay, that is orbitals, in the form of orbitals you can write this like that, and second ethylene molecule you can write like that, correct. Therefore we know that the, okay, last orbitals will be added to the our second unsaturated system, okay, therefore this first orbital, that first orbital is added to the ethylene molecule like that, and second this orbital is added from like that, okay, therefore this is the same phase, okay, same orbital phase, that is the same phase, that addition is the that addition. Okay, such these lobes are from the below, both are the from below lobe, therefore such is the supraface. Okay, that is a supraface. Same face addition. Okay, that is the same face addition. Same face addition to the other unsaturated system. Okay, and second is also that phase for ethylene molecule, that is also supraphase. That is same phase of addition. Same phase of addition. Correct. All right. These two are the same phase of addition. For ethylene, these are the same phase of addition. Both lobes are in this case below first lobe and second, that is supraphase. That is the suprafacial addition. And this is the top lobe, that is a suprafacial addition. Okay, both are the suprafacial mode of addition to the unsaturated systems. Correct. Therefore, this system is a 4Q system. We know that is 4, therefore it is denoted as the 4S, and this system is denoted as the 2S. S means for the suprafacial mode of addition. S stand for the suprafacial mode of addition. This S is stand for the suprafacial mode of addition. Okay, like that way it can also, we can represent this reaction like that. Okay, first is added to the second. Okay, therefore both lobes are from the bottom layers, we can show like that. And this ethylene molecule, both lobes can be shown, both are the same side, therefore we can show. Okay, both are the same side first, same side second. This below one and this arrow is below one. Okay, it means the, what is it meanings? It means the attack on the same, okay, attack on the same face of the molecule. Okay, therefore we can write this product like that, and that is a 4S and 2S mode of addition. Okay, like that way. 4S means what? 4S means what? 4S means addition of this cyclobutane from the same lobes, and 2S means the addition of this ethylene molecule from the same lobes. Okay, all right. Now other, that is the antifacial mode. What is meaning of antifacial mode of addition? Let us discuss that example. Okay, we have the example. Okay, we have an example. Okay, like that example. Before that, we will remove this. Okay, that is the butadiene is added to the ethylene. Okay, one of the same example, and we will use the for the explaining what is meaning of the antifacial mode of addition. Correct. All right. This is the our butadiene orbitals. Okay, already we know that. And second one is the ethylene orbitals. If suppose the first lobe is added to this ethylene, okay, that first lobe, below lobe is added to this ethylene. Okay, like that we have shown, added. And second, okay, that is upper lobe is added to the this upper lobe of ethylene. Okay, therefore this, okay, this lobe, okay, first lobe and this second lobe. Okay, first and second. Okay, these are the different phases addition of the lobes. Okay, different phase addition of lobes. Okay, therefore it is called as the antifacial mode of addition. This is called a mode of addition. All right, therefore it is this component is called as the 4A. 4A means the cyclobutadiene added as a antifacial cyclobutadiene added antifacial facially to the ethylene molecule. But this ethylene molecule, okay, when you see this ethylene molecule, both lobe, upper lobe is there, therefore this is that is called as the suprafacial mode of addition. Okay, therefore this is your 2S component system. Okay, this mode, okay, therefore we have concluded this mode of addition reaction is thus 4 antra plus 2 supra cycloaddition reaction. Okay, this can be represented as okay, first we have driven the our cyclobutadiene. Okay, first is the from bottom orbital and second is from the upper orbital. Okay, like that we can show. Okay, in this case from upper orbital and the upper orbital. Okay, like that way we can represent it as a 4a plus 2s cycloaddition reaction. Okay, this is the supra addition reaction. That is called as the supra addition reaction. Okay, first molecule is added as a intrafacially and second is added as a suprafacially. The third probability, okay, first probability we have seen supra addition. Second we have seen supra intra addition. Third we have seen, we will see intra addition. Okay, mostly in cyclo addition reaction it follows the supra and very rarely it's supra intra addition is there. Okay, but intra addition is the rare or does not occur, okay, in any reaction. Okay, let us discuss about what is meaning of intrafacial. Both molecules added intrafacial. Okay, that is first molecule we have draw the orbitals and the ethylene orbitals. Okay, that is first, that is added second lobe and this is added to the like that. Okay, therefore this first component, okay, that is upper lobe and second is a second lobe is added lower lobe. Okay, therefore it is a intrafacial mode of addition. Okay, that is the intrafacial mode of addition. Correct. That is the first orbital is top one. Upper lobe is added to the this ethylene molecule, and for this lower lobe is added to the this ethylene molecule. Okay, so okay, the such type of mode of addition is called as the intrafacial mode of addition. Okay, in second, okay, in ethylene molecule you can also there is a lower lobe of first lower lobe is added to the second unsaturated molecules orbitals, and upper lobe is added to the this butadiene molecular orbitals. Okay, therefore such system and such addition is also called as the intrafacial mode of addition. Okay, therefore such this is we can represent this 4a plus 2a. Okay, intra addition, but this addition is the observed very rarely. Okay, this is we have discussed briefly the what is meaning of cycloaddition reaction and meaning of intrafacial mode of addition and the suprafacial mode of addition. Thank you very much.